If your YouTube videos aren't getting the views they deserve, your thumbnails probably suck. Your thumbnail is the very first thing people see, and it can make or break whether someone clicks on your video. You could have spent days filming and editing a masterpiece, but if the thumbnail doesn't grab attention, it's game over. I get it. Making good thumbnails is a pain. Like me, you've probably tried tools like Canva or Photoshop, and while they're great, they can be tricky if you're not a designer. But recently, I found this incredible AI tool that creates viral thumbnails without you having to do any of the designing yourself. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to use this. By the end, you'll know how to use Pikzels to clone thumbnails, design your own from scratch, swap faces into designs, and even A/B test multiple options to pick the best thumbnail for your video. What is Pikzels? Pikzels is an AI tool that specializes in creating incredible YouTube thumbnails. Instead of having to use general AI image generators like Leonardo AI or Midjourney, and then adding text in Canva, or using multiple tools to make your thumbnails, Pikzels does it all. That's the key here. Pikzels is super specialized, which is why the thumbnails it creates are so good. You can choose from the essential, premium, and ultimate plans depending on what you need. I recommend the premium plan, which will give you access to the best features, which I'll take you through. This plan is $30 a month, which is more than worth it, but you can try it out for free to make sure you're happy before purchasing a plan. If you are unhappy at any point after your purchase, you can just email the friendly support team who'll give you a refund without any hassle. To try Pikzels for free, just head over to their website and click the Try for Free button. Then log into your Discord account and make sure you can access the private chat with Pikzels. Now let's talk about the different features that Pikzels offers once you're in. Create thumbnails from links. This is one of my favorite features Pikzels offers. This is perfect for when you see a thumbnail you love, maybe from a competitor or a creator you admire, and want to create something similar while putting your own spin on it. You're not just copying it outright. Pikzels uses AI to adapt the design to your style. Here's exactly how you do it. Start by finding a video on YouTube that has a thumbnail you like. Scroll through YouTube videos and pick one that has a good thumbnail. Now copy the video URL. Next, head to Discord, open a direct message with the Pikzels bot, and pick the Recreate feature, or just type Recreate. After that, paste the video link and hit enter. Pikzels will ask for your inspiration level. This is where you decide how closely the new thumbnail should match the original. If you choose high, the result will be very similar. Medium gives you a more reimagined version, while low takes only some loose inspiration and creates something totally unique. Hit enter, and within seconds, Pikzels will generate your new thumbnail. You can download it straight away and use it for your video. Create thumbnails from prompts. Maybe you don't want to replicate anything. You want a unique design that fits your video perfectly. Pikzels can do that too. Instead of starting with an existing thumbnail, you describe what you want and the AI brings it to life. Here's how it works. In Discord, type thumbnail followed by a detailed description of your idea. For example, let's say your video is about 5 hacks for better sleep. You could write, create a thumbnail for a video titled 5 Easy Hacks for Better Sleep. Show a man sleeping peacefully in a cozy bed with glowing stars above. Write bold text toward the top center that says, sleep on command. This is a short prompt we can use for now, but remember to include as much detail as possible, especially if you already have a vision in mind. Hit enter, and within seconds, Pikzels will generate multiple options. You can download the image if you're happy, or you can click on redo, or you can click on edit thumbnail and then make changes by typing in what you want changed. What's amazing about this feature is that it uses principles of design that professionals spend years learning. It understands how to balance text and images, where to place eye-catching elements, and how to use colors to evoke emotion. You don't need to study or know any of that. It's all built into the tool. Now, if you already have an image that you want for your thumbnail and you just want to add text, Pikzels offers that too. Just upload your image, tell it the text that you want included, and it will present the text in a way that makes sense with your image so that it all looks smooth and polished. Put your face in thumbnails. People connect with faces, which is why so many successful YouTubers include theirs in their thumbnails. But not everyone has the time or skill to pose perfectly for each new video. Pikzels' face swap feature is perfect for this. In Discord, click on the face swap feature. For the first image, upload a thumbnail that you want your face to be in. In the second image, upload a picture of your face. And then Pikzels will send you the thumbnail with your face in it. And it will, of course, adapt your face to fit in with the thumbnail image. Testing thumbnails. Because Pikzels is so easy and quick to use, you can generate multiple variations of your thumbnails to test them. Even the best creators, like Mr. Beast, don't always know what will work best, so they test different thumbnail options. And after you've generated a few options for your thumbnail with Pikzels, you can upload them to platforms like Thumblytics. With this tool, you can test your thumbnail as well as your title. Thumblytics lets you experiment with different colors, layouts, and images to see which designs get the best response. You can upload a few versions and get feedback on what works best from hundreds of real people. This lets you make data-driven decisions and know that you're creating the best thumbnail possible based on numbers instead of just guessing. Exciting features coming up. Pikzels is already incredible as it is, but they're actually in the process of offering even more features, which I'm super excited for. One of them is creating thumbnails from Sketch, so you can upload a quick sketch of a thumbnail idea that you have, and then Pikzels will turn it into a viral thumbnail. You don't have to be a good artist at all for this because the AI does a good job of understanding what you're looking for and turning it into a thumbnail format. This will give you a chance to make your thumbnails super unique and original, and it's literally the most customizable and personalized option there is for creating original thumbnails for your videos. Some other features I'm looking forward to are the Discover Content Ideas and Generate Video Titles from Thumbnails features. With these, you'll be able to come up with viral video ideas, and you'll be able to come up with the best titles that match your thumbnails. So pretty soon, you can use Pikzels for 3 parts of your video creation process: coming up with ideas, creating thumbnails, and writing video titles. For me, these are the most important parts of the process because they're what decide whether people will even click on your videos in the first place. Pikzels has honestly impressed me with how good its thumbnails are, and I seriously recommend at least trying it out for free to see how much time it can save you and how much it can boost your click-through rate. How do you create your thumbnails at the moment? Have you tried Pikzels? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.